Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Streamio buffering. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. First of all, go ahead and access your application. And now when you're playing a video or research or searching something and it's buffering while in the process, first thing you can do is you can go ahead, cross the window out. Once you have crossed the window out, you're going to go ahead and relaunch your Streamio. Once you have relaunched, it should be helpful and it should stop the buffering whatsoever. That should just help you out with the Streamio buffering. You can also go ahead check out your internet connection, because if it's not good, then that could cause the buffering itself as well. Now if it still doesn't help, so I will suggest you guys to simply uninstall the application from your mobile device or your laptop and reinstall the Streamio and relog in. That should help, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.